In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wix Studio faster. If you've been using Wix Studio and want to enhance its performance, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, head over to wix.com. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. It's simple and free, but if you're already a member, just log in with your credentials and you'll be good to go. Having a properly set up account is essential before you start optimizing your Wix Studio. Now let's talk about the overall performance of your Wix Studio editor. You'll want to start by optimizing your media. This involves making sure you're using the right file formats and ensuring your images and videos are not larger than they need to be. A good tip is to be mindful of the kinds of media files you upload. Choose the lighter options whenever possible to ensure they load quickly. When it comes to your site's fonts and third-party apps, be selective. Limiting these items not only improves your site's performance but also helps with its overall design coherence. Cluttered sites can become slow and disorganized, so keeping it simple is key. Furthermore, when you're repeating design elements across the site, try using repeaters instead of duplicating elements manually. This can significantly reduce the load time. Moving on to media optimization, a crucial aspect of enhancing Wix Studio's performance is choosing the right image formats. For photographs and most images use JPGs. They are typically smaller in size compared to PNGs, which makes them quicker to load. However, for shapes, icons and logos, using SVGs is beneficial as they are vector-based and do not lose quality regardless of size adjustments. To further reduce image size without compromising quality, consider tools like Squoosh for compressing PNG files and Mozzie JPEG for JPGs. Both tools are excellent at maintaining quality while making your files considerably smaller. This optimization step is vital for ensuring that your site loads swiftly for all visitors. Moreover, another modern approach is adopting file formats specifically designed for the web, such as WebP or AVIF. These formats offer significantly smaller file sizes than traditional formats, which directly contributes to faster loading times. Lastly, whenever your design involves animations, try opting for animated WebP files or HTML5 videos instead of GIFs. These alternatives are not only lighter in file size, but also tend to provide smoother visual experiences. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your Wix Studio site is both faster to load and more enjoyable for your visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time.